Hello and welcome to the EMP Tech Group. More specifically, welcome to the EMP Tech Group website and our homepage. And we wanted to spend a few minutes today talking about a resource that's on here that's kind of not utilized enough by us internally and probably not utilized enough by our customers as well. And that's under this resources tabs. There are these project guides. And there's several of them in here that we've done over the years, talking about selecting the right labeling, selecting the right label printer, kind of barcode symbologies, Wi-Fi in the warehouse, general warehouse automation, mobile computing. So there's a lot of good stuff in here. But today we kind of wanted to focus on this passive RFID project guide. And you'll see that there's really a lot of questions in here, questions you need to ask yourself if you're considering an RFID project. And then if you actually download the project guide itself, you'll see this document here. And I just wanted to cover this a little bit here in this meeting today. So we did this target approach, right? Because the first thing you want to think about with a passive RFID project is tagging your product. How to tag it, what kind of tag you need, the costs of the tags. And that's kind of the first thing that you have to tackle with an RFID project. And then the second thing is the hardware to print and encode the tags, the hardware to read the tags, be it mobile computers or fixed readers. And then the thing that people forget all the time is software, because an RFID project is going to generate a lot of data. And that data probably is not going to just pump into your current software without some massaging, without some kind of a middleware piece. And by the way, passive RFID projects can generate a lot of data. So just something to think about there. So, again, the questions you need to ask yourself about tagging, down to what the product itself is, because passive RFID tags don't do well with liquid or metal. So you got to think about that and the value of your product, because you're going to put a 15 or 20% tag, 20-cent tag on this product now. And if it's a dollar item, it probably doesn't make sense. But if it's a $10,000 item, it probably makes lots of sense. So then again, the hardware, and this can kill the cost justification. We see customers say, hey, I need to read these tags once I put them on there. And we go, well, where do you need to read it? Well, I need to read it at every truck dock as it goes out. Well, how many truck docks do you have? 30. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of cost. So something to think about there, how you're going to read, where you're going to read. And then again, as I said, the software being the last thing. So that's the document that you might want to take a look at. And then there's another thing on our website here, and that's under the CR Work section. And that's in About Us and under CR Work. And I've got RFID, scrolled down to here and kind of highlighted, but shows you some of the RFID projects that we've done over the years, all the way from a mobile cart that's in a pharmaceutical setting that is wheeled around to inventory lab equipment as a project we've done, returnable containers through the wash process and tracking them, and then even out into the field. Done that kind of an application we have here. And then, a luggage carrier on top of a vehicle, driving along inventorying vehicles on a lot. So we've sure done a lot of RFID projects over the years, and we're here to help and have a lot of experience in that. So just wanted everybody to know about that. Call us if we can help. Email us, always emptechgroup.com. Best place to find us. Thanks for your time today.